Hello and happy Wednesday. You've made it through the first half of the first week of online instruction. Today, I want to do something super simple and super easy. I would love for you to check in. If you could comment in the Google Classroom how the activities went on Monday and Tuesday, it's going to really be helpful for me to figure out if I need to just keep moving forward or if we need to stay with whatever we were just talking about. So I don't want to wait until Sunday to hear from you on how things are going throughout the week. So please, every day when you're submitting your work for your daily attendance, I can give you some feedback and let me know how it's going, and don't just wait until Sunday. Remember, you have to log in every day and submit something. It doesn't have to be completed, but you have to at least start your daily work and submit it for me to take your attendance. And then it needs to be fully finished by Sunday for your grade. But we should be in contact and communicating throughout the week as well. So for today, I just have a video explaining what I want you to do. And you will take a screenshot of your computer when you have finished, or you can just share. So I know you've used Desmos before. It was used a lot in Math 1, but if you have like a Chromebook, there's a button on the top of your keypad that I think says PRTSC. I think that means print screen. If you just hit the function button and then that, it should take a picture of your screen, I believe. You can also Google how to screenshot on your desktop, and it's just a couple quick steps. But I'm sharing my screen with you so you can see. When you go to desmos.com for today's activity, you're going to hit Graph Calculator. So it's going to pull up Desmos graphing coordinate plane. And what I want you to do for today, we've been talking about how to plot points, how to rewrite ordered pairs in different ways, the different parts of a coordinate plane, and the x and the y-axis. So what I want you to do is plot points that make some sort of shape. So I'm going to do an example here that you can watch, and then I want you to go onto desmos.com, make your own shape, screenshot it, and upload it to the classroom for today. That's all you have to do. So it's just practicing plotting points again, making sure that you know how to enter them, and like figuring out how you need to move to make the shape connect. And I'm going to show you how to make lines instead of just points. So first we have to wait for Desmos to load. Whenever I try to do too much on the computer at once, everything really lags. Okay, here we go. So once you click Graph Calculator, when you go to desmos.com, you don't have to log in, you don't have to use your account. You can just start graphing from the site. So on the left-hand side, you'll see this is where you can enter equations to get lines to pop up. You can enter ordered pairs. You can also enter a table. I know it's been a while since you've used Desmos, but if you remember, I could just enter an ordered pair like this, and you'll see a dot pop up, right? And the color that's beside it is going to show the color over here that matches. But if I want to connect all my dots and make a shape, I need to put them all in a table. So I don't want you to enter your ordered pairs like that. What I want you to do is delete that and hit the plus symbol. And you have at this point the option to enter your data in different ways. So we're going to click on table. When you click table, it will pop up for you. And all you have to do is enter in your X's on the left-hand side and your Y's on the right-hand side. So I'm going to make, I don't know, either a hexagon or an octagon. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to start at 0, 0, right? So I just enter 0, 0, and the dot will pop up. Now I need to move to a new column. So I want to go over 2, up 2. So I need to go 2, 2. Actually, I don't want to go up yet. So if you mess up, feel free to go back in and just change your numbers, play around with it. And the best part is, as you're doing it, you can see where your dot pops up and if you like that or not, or if that's the shape you wanted or not. So as you're filling in your table, you can physically see what's going on. There we go. So that's how I want it. So I went over 2, but I didn't move up. So now I want to go up. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to go over 4 up 2. And again, I'm just visualizing, okay, if I want my dot here, how do I get there? I've got to go over and up to get there. You can only move on the lines. That's the only way you can get to places on these graphs. Okay, and then I want to go over and up. So over 4, up 4. My dot will pop up. There it is. Boom, 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 boom. So now I want to go over 2, up 6 to get to that spot right above this dot. So as you can see, everything's moving by 2s. I go over by 2, then up, then straight up, then back over, and I wanted this dot to be right over that dot, but I had to put it way up high. So it had the same x value over here as before, but it had a different y value. Okay, so now I just want to go straight over again and sit it right above this dot. So the x value is the same. I want it to be on the same spot on my x value, but I want it to be way up high. So I need to do 0, 6 and put it way up here at the 6. Now I need to just mirror everything that's on the right-hand side. I just need to mirror it over here to get my shape really going good. So I'm going to go -2, 4. I don't know what happened. So I went -2, 4 to mirror this dot right here, but on this side. Then I need to mirror this dot right here, which is going to be -2, 2. And to make my shape